share with you another journal that I've made, and this one is a butterfly, a vintage butterfly journal, and the kit that I used is from, what's it called, My Porch prints. I'd watched a video today by Gina, who had done a really beautiful journal using the kit, and I thought I've got to have that kit because I love butterflies. So I purchased it and printed it and whacked on with it all day. I just got on with it. That's all I've done today is this journal. So this is what I've come up with. It's a soft cover. There is a wraparound sari tie, which you can undo it. I'm just gonna slide it off because I'm rubbish at tying bows. There is 108 pages front and back. It measures 8 1/4 by 5 1/2, and you'll see all the lovely images in a minute. There's lots of journaling room as well. I've done quite a bit of sewing in this as well. This will be for sale in my shop if you're interested, and I'll have all the links below. So the inside cover is just plain, and I cannot do that with most of my journals. I don't know why, I just do. So we have this lovely image on the front. It's really lovely, pretty kit. I can't remember the actual name of it, but I will look that up and I will link it below. And I also bought from the same Etsy seller was these like journaling cards, which I've sewn onto cardstock and just inked up around the edges and just added some simple tabs on there. So that goes in there. I've made a pocket from one of the pages as well. It's very much like collage pages, I think. Looks a bit collagey. You can, use them for many other things rather than just pages. So we've just got some ephemera. I haven't added a lot of vintage ephemera to this because I've done other things. So I've done some collage type tags. They've all been sewn, and I've got this black fluffy trim on here. And these butterflies are actually from Artie Mays. So that goes in there. And we've got a doily and edge punching and a paper bag. Some Edith Holden with some butterflies on there. It's got some birds on here. There is some flower book page. Some index cards throughout the journal, and I've just stamped different butterflies on there. This is some my inventory paper. Some stamping. Another journal card from My Porch prints, and this here is an Edith Holden book page that Climmy Creations done a video on how she was using hers up, so I done a couple of these. So it's just some layering, some Tim Holtz die cuts here from the botanical one. So there's a little bit of other paper going on in the background here, and then some coffee dyed paper that's been stenciled, and then the butterfly there. I've decorated the back, and then you've just got the little booklet inside, just writing some notes. Could stick some photographs on there. So that's what I've done with that. There's another one of these somewhere else in the journal. So Climmy's linked below as well, so you can go over and see her video. It's a recent video that she done, showing you what she done with these, and it's she used the ones that have got like no images or images that you're not really keen on. So that's something that you can do with them. We've got some vintage. This is all like a doily, not a doily, like a table runner, but it's vintage. This is a page from the kit. Here I've just made a pocket using, again, some of the pages from the kit I've just cut up and made into pockets. Another collage tag, and another journal card, and we have a library card in there. It's got a little splash of pink there. I kind of kept things the pinky theme. Little notebook page, some ledger, some music paper. Here I've just done a pocket. Gina had done these in her journal that she showed. I have done them before, just haven't done them in a while. I normally do like top loading ones, but I've done a couple of these. I've got another journal card here, and another page from the kit. done a belly band using some of the prints from the kit. 2 journal cards here, a doily, some edge punching, a flower book page, another index card with a pretty butterfly stamped on there, some inventory paper. This is from the old design shop. That's the middle of the signature. Another lacy tab. Lots of places to journal in this, as well as it being moderately decorated. This is an Artie Maze tag, and I just made a pocket for that page. Some Tsunami Rose ephemera, another collage tag or layered tag, and another butterfly journal card. Such a pretty kit. Here we just have a pocket, 2 journaling cards inside there, another pretty page from the kit, another pocket here with a journal card inside there, and that's all been sewn onto tea or coffee dyed paper and then just glued on. Another fabric or lacy tab. This is the other Edith Holden book page, altered book page. It's a little booklet now. And another journaling card. Another index card. Another book page, flower book page, some more Edith Holden, the other side of the paper bag. Another pocket here created from one of the pages. Another journal card, another collage tag, and some ephemera. So there you have it. Definitely be using this kit a lot because I just love butterflies. This is so pretty. It's a pretty kit. And then that will just slip back on. Obviously you can undo it if you want to. It's just because I'm rubbish at bows. So yeah, that's the journal. That's the back. If you have any questions, just ask. And like I said, all the links will be below, and this will be listed in my shop. And I will speak to you all soon. Bye.